Hey everybody, it's Franklin Taggart with Franklin Taggart Coaching and Consulting. I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial today on how to embed a YouTube video on your Blogger page or on your Blogger post. It's very easy to do. The nice thing about it is that it actually embeds the actual video there. It's not a link that takes you to YouTube. It's the actual video that's embedded right on your Blogger website. Now, I've used Blogger for over 10 years at this point. Now, I know it's kind of a dated service, but I really have always enjoyed using it because it's fairly easy to learn and it's free. You can't beat that. I love free stuff. So anyhow, we're going to start with Blogger. Actually, we're going to start with YouTube. I'm going to go to the YouTube page first. And where I want to go first is to my own page, my channel. So I'll click on this upper right-hand corner, my little picture up here. And see how it says your channel. I'll select my channel, and that brings me here to my video channel. Now I'm going to go over here to the videos that I want to look at, and I'm going to choose one here. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one up here that says Heart on the Line, and I'll go ahead and select that. This is a demo video that I made several years ago for my Facebook page, but I haven't ever put it on my website that I recall anyway. But I'm going to go ahead and embed that on my website. What I'm going to do is go down here to where it says share, down here right underneath my video screen on the right end of my video screen. There's a share arrow, and you click on share, and this little menu will pop up. And in this menu, you've got several options. If you want to just use the link, you can use the link, but that doesn't allow people to watch right on your Blogger site. The link will take them to YouTube. I don't think that's a bad thing necessarily, but if you want them to stay on your website, it's better to embed the video. So what I'm going to do is click on the embed option, which is there on the left-hand side. And what I'm going to do is, all I need to do simply is copy this because I don't want it to start at a different place. But if I did want it to start at a different place, I could click this button here, and then I can select which time I would want to do it. So I could select 1 minute, and it would start the video at that point. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have it start at the very beginning. So what I'm going to do now is click copy down in the lower right-hand corner of that pop-up window, and notice that it highlights automatically the code in the embed video file. This is JavaScript code, iframe, and it automatically copies it when you push the copy button. So it's already copied to my clipboard. I don't have to do anything else here on YouTube. What I am going to do is go over to Blogger. I'm on my dashboard. This is from my Franklin Taggart Music website. I'm on my dashboard, and I've selected Pages over on the left-hand side. And on Pages, I'm going to go ahead and click on Vids. That's my video page. Now, it opens automatically to the HTML frame. I don't want it to do that quite yet because there's something that I want to do first. I want to go into Compose View. So you notice what I did is I went up to the upper left-hand corner here where the HTML icon is selected. Those are two arrows that are facing away from each other. And I click on that, and then it offers me two options, HTML view or Compose View. And in this case, I want Compose View because what I want to do is actually, I want to embed this video at the bottom of my video page. So I'm going to place my cursor. I clicked on the cursor on the right-hand side of the bottom video, and then I hit enter just to add a space at the bottom. And that's all I need to do for now. What I want to do now is to go back up to the left-hand corner here and click on my button and choose HTML view. And now you'll notice that at the end of the code, it's added a break and a division. Now all I have to do is paste. Control V, and the code that I just copied from YouTube has now been entered on my screen. And if you want to take a look at what this looks like and what it's going to look like, you can click the preview button in the upper right-hand corner there. and you'll see that the video has been embedded at the bottom of the page. That's exactly where I want it, and that's exactly what I want it to look like. Okay, so I'll click out of the preview there, and I want to make sure that when I'm done with the code insert, and I've looked at the preview to make sure that it looks the way that I want it to, always make sure that you click the orange update button on Blogger before you leave the page. So I've clicked update. That means that the page is updated, and I'll go back to my Blogger dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and click on View Blog. We'll click on the video page, and down at the bottom we will see the video that we've embedded. It's exactly what we wanted to happen. So that's if you want to embed it on a page. If you want to embed a video in a post, it's a very similar process. What we're going to do is going to go to our posts file on the left-hand side of the dashboard, click on posts, and what we want to do is to add a new post. So I will click on new post. And I am going to give it a title, Taggart and Silas Demo Reel. And again, it's already an HTML view. I can choose between HTML and Compose. There's the Composed view. And going back to HTML view. Now, all I have to do is put my cursor at the end. And what will happen then is I will paste my code from YouTube again. All right, let's click on preview just to make sure it looks like we want it to. Yep, there it is. That's exactly what we want it to look like. And so what we can do now is publish the video page. It'll ask me to confirm. I will confirm it. It'll take us back to the page dashboard, or to the post dashboard. And I'm going to go ahead and view blog again. You'll notice that the demo reel is now the latest post in my blog. And when I click on it, it takes us right to the video that we can watch right on the website. So it's very easy to embed your video on a Blogger website. Again, real quick, you're going to go to your YouTube video, select the video that you want to embed, go down to the share button, click on the embed button, click copy. It's already on your dashboard at that point. Go to Blogger, and you can choose the page where you want to put it, or you can select the post, or you can create a new post where you would want to put it. Select the HTML version, HTML view, paste the code into your view, click update, and that's all there is to it. You have finished embedding a video in your Blogger website. If you have any questions about this, drop me a line at franklin@franklintaggart.com, and thanks for watching.